everyone, today's video is going to be an update, or really the finale of my rolling project pan. So I just chose 10 items at random, or like I got to actually pick them out of my collection because they're things I want to work on. I already have 5 empties, which I feel like is pretty good. And today I'm just going to finish it all up. So I will say that I've already lost one item, and that very, very, very rarely happens to me. If you like watch my project pans or whatnot, I pretty much always keep up with my stuff. But I did lose the chapstick. It's by like American Fidelity. It was a free chapstick. It's not that big of a deal. But I lost it. So I didn't finish it up. I had some decent progress, but it wasn't gone, and it's somewhere in Georgia, and I'm in Ohio. So what are you gonna do? But I'll show you the rest. I do actually already have 2 empties. So first we have the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. There is some more in there, but I cannot get it out. And if I spray it, it's like big old blobs as opposed to being like a nice fine mist. So I am not a fan. I mean, so I don't want to keep using it. Honestly, I'm not really a fan of this at all. I don't see the hype. I don't know why people love it so much. I would not purchase it again. And I also finished up the Benefit Boi-Ing concealer. Now this was before they this is by Benefit, like I said, completely empty. This was before they did a lot of reformulating and repackaging, but they still have Boi-Ing. I'm just not sure exactly what it's called now because they're all called Boi-Ing. This was nice. I feel like this color, this was in the shade 2, was too orange for me. So I get it. If I got it again, I'd get it in the shade 1. But I liked it under my eyes, so I would be interested in trying it in their new formula. But that means that I have used up 7 items, and the other, I'm sorry. I just totally lost my train of thought. The remaining 7 items I haven't used up, but I've gotten some good progress. So first we have the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer. I have this bronzer on today. I have all these items on today. And this is a pretty decent bronzer. I like the shade. I feel like it blends really well. However, I do feel like it's a little bit warm toned sometimes. Sometimes I feel like it's fine, but sometimes it's a little warm for me. I made a huge dent in it. I did not use it up, which I was hoping to, but you know, progress is progress, like we always say. Next, I have the Physicians Formula Green Concealer right here. There's not that much left, honestly. I've gotten a lot of good use out of this. I use this whenever I have redness. I use it today. My skin's kind of freaking out. I don't know if it's because I was just in Michigan overnight, and our water in Ohio is different than our water in Savannah, so my skin might just be trying to get used to it. John was saying his eyes have been burning occasionally, so we're just trying to get used to the new Ohio life. But anyway, I do feel like I got a good amount of use out of that. There's still some. I'm going to be keeping it. I like that as a green concealer. I feel like it blends really well, but it's also easy to build on top of without looking like you got green patches on your face. Then I have the Eyeko I Do Liquid Liner. I have it on today. It's a really nice liquid liner. It's a felt tip. It's very deep and black. No complaints. Didn't use it up, but I'll definitely keep that. Then I have, the Tarantino Dollskin Eye Primer. I like this eye primer, but it's not my favorite. I really like the Lorac one. I like the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This one's okay. I'll keep it around. I used it a bunch. I don't know. I feel like there's definitely less product in here, but it's still in there, still going. I haven't even taken the stopper out yet. Then I have this, which has lasted me forever, and I'm never going to use it up. I'm just convinced. This is the Chella Ivory Lace Highlighter. I have it on today as my brow bone, and then I like it as like an inner corner base. So I do use it a lot. It just keeps staying and staying, and I probably have to sharpen it like once a month, even if I use it every single day. But I want to get this finished. I would love to, I don't know, finish it by the end of the year, maybe depending on what happens. And last but not least, I have the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel. Now, I was working on this side, and it's pretty much gone. Does this even have a stopper? It does. But I don't really think I want to take out a stopper for a brow gel. I feel like that's just going to get real messy really quickly. And you can see, like, there's none really down in there. Can you see that? Maybe? It's really empty down in there. And there's a little bit on the sides, but it's hard to get out. So I would say this isn't completely finished, but it's really dang close. So that was my rolling project tin pan. This was good. I like having these items. I did get some more items out, but y'all know me. I like a theme. I like a roulette, or I don't know, just something a little different as opposed to just like, okay, here are some items that I chose to use up. but I felt like I needed to do it for that time. This is my new dress. Do you want to see it? It's from Lilo and Stitch. It's based on like Lilo's dress. I got it at the Disney store. Isn't it cute? Sorry. But anyway, so yeah, I liked it. I forgot about this guy. Tarte Latergram. So this is the lip pencil. It is dry, but it's so close to being used up, so I want to keep it just to finish it up. But it's not great. Okay, sorry. But yeah, I'm glad I did it, but tomorrow I'll be filming, and I'll be starting something really exciting and new. So hopefully y'all are excited about that. And yeah, as always, if you have any questions, requests, suggestions, comments, go ahead and leave those down below. And with that, I'll just see you real soon. Bye.